Hey there! In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at Koinly, a cryptocurrency tax software that helps simplify the process of calculating your crypto taxes. You can explore this platform in the description also. What is Koinly? Koinly is a web-based cryptocurrency tax software that helps you calculate your taxes on crypto trades and transactions. The platform supports over 6,000 cryptocurrencies and 300 exchanges. The platform offers automatic API imports, direct wallet imports, CSV imports, and even a manual entry option for transactions that can't be imported. Koinly is also GDPR compliant and has strong encryption and security measures in place. Features of Koinly. Koinly offers a range of features to help simplify the process of calculating crypto taxes. Here are some of its standout features. 1. Tax reports. Koinly automatically generates detailed tax reports for your crypto transactions, including capital gains, income, and more. 2. Automated imports. Koinly can automatically import your transaction data from over 300 exchanges, wallets, and blockchains, making it easy to calculate your crypto taxes. 3. Portfolio tracking. Koinly offers a portfolio tracking feature that helps you keep track of your cryptocurrency holdings across different exchanges and wallets. 4. Audit trail. Koinly's audit trail feature allows you to track your crypto transactions and ensure that your tax reports are accurate. 5. Multi-currency support. Koinly supports over 6,000 cryptocurrencies, making it easy to calculate taxes on a wide range of digital assets. You can explore this product in the description also. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more videos like this.